We were talking about scientific notation, and we want to use properties of rational exponents to simplify expressions with rational exponents. So here we want to change from scientific notation to standard notation. So here's our scientific notation. So 2.5 times 10 to the fifth. And when we have a positive, that means that the number is going to get larger. So we're going to write 2.5, and we want to move the decimal point 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those places are going to get filled with zeros. So that's 250,000. Another way that we can think about that is what we're multiplying that by. And we want to multiply that by 2.5 times 5 zeros. If we have a negative exponent, what that means is we're actually saying 2.5 divided by 10 to the third. So another way we can think of that is 2.5 divided by 1,000. So if we're saying, because that's the negative exponent rule, if we have a negative exponent, we can move it to the denominator as positive. So if we're thinking about that, 2.5 divided by 1,000, that's going to be a very small number. So we can have 2.5, and then we want to move the decimal to make this number even smaller. So we got to move the decimal to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have our decimal there. And sometimes we like to put a 0 out front and then 2 zeros, and then that would be the number right there, 0.0025.